How to fix Rave app loading problem. First, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor or unstable connections can cause loading issues. Then test the connection. Open up a web browser or another app to check if your internet is working. Then restart the Rave app, close it completely, and then reopen it and relaunch the app to see if the loading issue is resolved. For Android devices, just clear your cache by going to Settings, Apps, Rave, tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Then restart the application. You can also update the Rave app, so open up the App Store for iOS, or Google Play Store for Android. Check for available updates and tap Update to install the latest version. Then reopen the app once updated. Then just restart your device and turn it back on. Check for app server issues. Visit Rave's official social media platform to see if there's server maintenance going on or outages. Then wait and try again and reinstall the app. So uninstall the app, reinstall it from the App Store, and then log back in. Then check your device's compatibility. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. If you're using an outdated OS version, it can cause compatibility issues with the app. If this helped you, subscribe.